In the nascent years of the People's Republic of China, modern industry was vital for national renewal. Building a major auto plant became a priority. Changchun, with its solid industrial base, resources, and transport links, was the natural choice. At the call of the nation, tens of thousands of builders from across the country converged on this promising land. Engineers, skilled workers, and young students gathered with one common goal: to build China's own automobiles. On July 15, 1953, the foundation stone, inscribed by Chairman Mao with the words, "Foundation of the First Automobile Works," was solemnly laid, marking the official launch of new China's automotive industry. Construction proceeded around the clock, and technological breakthroughs were pursued relentlessly. Facing numerous challenges, the design offices often remained lit through the night as engineers pored over blueprints, tested prototypes, and learned through trial and error. When deadlines loomed, shifts worked in succession. When technical data was scarce, they learned on the job. It was through such wisdom and perseverance, honed during countless sleepless nights, that the first pillar of China's automotive industry was quietly built. After 3 years of determined effort, in 1956, the first FAW CA-10 truck rolled off the production line, its horn heralding the dawn of a new era.